Microsoft announced the public preview of Microsoft Copilot for Finance, the newest Copilot offering designed for business functions that extends Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 and revolutionizes how finance teams approach their daily work. Microsoft Copilot for Finance helps finance professionals work with financial data in Microsoft Excel to complete common financial tasks like data reconciliation. Copilot for Finance suggests reconciliation vectors, compares financial data structures, classifies transactions, and creates reconciliation reports with generative artificial intelligence (GenAI)-supported summaries. Copilot for Finance draws on essential context from your existing financial data sources, including traditional enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems such as Microsoft Dynamics 365 and SAP, and the Microsoft Graph. Helps financial analysts quickly conduct a variance analysis in Excel using natural language prompts to review data sets for anomalies, risks, and unmatched values. Simplifies the reconciliation process in Excel with automated data structure comparisons and guided troubleshooting to help move from insight to action, which helps ensure the reliability and accuracy of financial records. Provides a complete summary of relevant customer account details in Outlook, such as balance statements and invoices, to expedite the collections process. Enables customers to turn raw data in Excel into presentation-ready visuals and reports ready to be shared across Outlook and Teams. In essence, it includes these notable capabilities: Copilot suggested reconciliation rules, reconciliation commentary and report creation, reconciliation reporting. Businesses can now access Copilot for Finance alongside Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service. Join our community of fellow AI enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel, hitting that notification bell, and embarking on this exciting journey with us. Let's dive deep into the world of AI together.